In this video, we will discuss the speaking cells. So to activate the speaking cells, so this speaking cells you can bring it to the this quick access toolbar, okay, or you can make it into the any of the tab, any of the group. So I am bringing into the quick access toolbar. So to activate it here, you just go to the file menu, go to the options, and you go to example. Since I am to bring it to quick access toolbar, I'm just selecting the quick access toolbar, and here you are seeing this choose commands from. Instead of popular commands, you can select the all commands. Once you select the all commands, please come down slowly wherever the speaking cells are there. Okay, there are so many features are there. We'll understand one by one. So I'm going to speaking cells, right? So here if you see speak cells, I'm just moving to, I'm just copy to the customize quick action toolbar. I'm just clicking add. So it's, see here the speak cells, it came here. So examples, example whatever the speak cells features are there, example there are 4 features are there, I just move it to all 5. Okay, so speak cells, stop speaking cells, speak cells by columns, rows, and enter. So I moved it here. I'm just clicking OK. Once you click OK here, now you see here there are 4 icon it came, right? First is speak cells, second is speak cells stop, stop speaking cells, and this is speak cells by columns, speak cells by rows, and this is speak cells on enter. Now let's see. So example, I'm writing it here, this part. Okay, so example, I'm writing it here, or this part. Okay, now I'll be reading all these things. So I have to read, otherwise let's how the system is reading. So I'm selecting everything and I'm just clicking on speak cells. Now see.
Robert John, Rahul Bajaj,
So
Ricky Ponting,
it's getting read. Okay.
Robert
And the
John,
sound is coming. So you can
Rahul Bajaj,
okay.
Ricky Ponting, Robert, John, Rahul, Bajaj, Ricky, Ponting, Robert, Rahul, Ricky, Robert, Rahul, Ricky,
So see
Robert,
each cells it's
Rahul,
okay. So
Ricky,
going to select column,
John,
and then it's going to the
Bajaj,
okay. Now see what will happen again. So now I'm removing the space in between. Now let's see whether it's coming horizontally or vertically. So again I'm clicking
Robert John,
here.
Rahul Bajaj,
Okay, so it's coming column.
Ricky
Because I
Ponting,
have selected,
Robert John,
I've selected here speak cells by columns. That's the reason it's coming by column wise. First it's going reading the column, then it's going to the second column, then it's going to third column. If you want to read it to the row wise, just select it here, speak by rows. Now again we select. I'm going to top and speak by row, and I'm just clicking
Robert John, Robert,
so it's going to the
John,
it's going to the next
Rahul Bajaj, Rahul,
right.
Bajaj,
So if I want to stop it,
Ricky
we can click
Ponting,
stop here.
Ricky, Ponting,
Okay, so now the next option is if you have to enter by click, right? So here you click it here, see here, speak cells on enter. Just
cells will now be spoken on enter.
So then once you click it enter, it will read. See here.
Robert John,
So it,
Rahul Bajaj,
system
Ricky Ponting, Robert John.
You actually to understand what you wrote and what is the pronunciation, that it will help. Sometimes for reference, okay, example if you are comparing any document, or you have given writing any task to any other person, if you want to check it, compare it, so you can use this feature. Okay, thank you.